Hey, good morning. We're starting the day off early today. We're at the local lumber yard and we're picking up the exposed beam that we're going to use to support the ceiling of the house since we are taking out that low bearing wall in the kitchen. So we're going to get the day started early today before I go to work, pick up this wood, go drop it off at the house, then go to work, and then come back and see if we can work on the house again. But that's the update right now. We're here picking up the beams, and we're gonna head back to the house. We'll see you in a bit. All right, guys. So we got our beam. We're just gonna secure it here to the top of the truck so that we can get it over to the house. So we're just gonna put a couple straps up here. We're not too far from the house, maybe 15 minutes, so we should be all right.
All right, bro. Thank you.
And here's a quick look of how it all started with the demo. As you can see, we started taking the wall down. Kind of got to see a little bit of the space opening up. Here's another shot. Hey everyone, so we're wrapping it up for tonight. I believe it is day 6 of the project. And let me show you what we have going on here. So after we removed this wall, we've been able to successfully install this beautiful beam. We're going to be leaving that exposed, staining it. It's going to look gorgeous, and it just opened up this whole place. Look at that. Wow. It's looking really great. It's coming together. So this one, we were able to get it from a local lumber company. It's a Douglas fir, and once we stain it, this is going to be exposed. This is going to be exposed, obviously, and this is going to be exposed. It's going to look gorgeous. We've also started the process of testing out some paint colors. So we're going to go ahead and see what we decide on, or if we need to keep testing the colors for the house. But so far so great. So thankful that I have some friends and families helping me out right now, especially with work. But I think we're coming along great, and I think in the next couple of weeks we're going to make some great progress. All right, so we'll wrap it up for tonight. We're gonna make one last trip to Home Depot. Some T brackets to go here. I think they're gonna look great. One last run for tonight, and then call it a night. All right, we'll see you later. And here's the final shot of my beautiful wife. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.